Students, today we will be discussing about MCQs of Bio Class 10 ICSE. So let's start. The first MCQ is the prime source of chlorofluorocarbon. So answer will be refrigeration equipment. Second is, which of the following is a natural growth inhibitor? So answer would be ABA, that is abscisic acid. Third is, marine fishes when placed in tap water burst because of. So marine fish, the ones which stays in the salty water. So if you're going to put it in water, so what will happen? The water will go inside it. So the process will be end osmosis, and as a result, they will burst. After that, next is, the surgical method of sterilization in women involves cutting and tying off. Answer will be oviduct, D part. Yes, after that, next is synthesis phase or in the cell cycle is called so because of the synthesis of more. Answer will be C, synthesis of more DNA. Next is the phase which comes after mitotic. So after the mitosis, that is division of nucleus and cytoplasm takes place, what happens? Again the cell come back to G1 phase, which is basically the growth phase, first growth phase. Next is physical carrier of heredity. So the answer will be chromosome. Answer will be chromosome. Next is invert movement of water molecule from outside of the cell through a semi-permeable membrane, that is said to be invert is endosmosis. Composition of lenticels is, they are dead cells basically. Next, is splitting of water molecule by the light energy is called B part, photolysis of water. Sperm and eggs, they are germ cells, A part. The cross between the two parent having one pair of contrasting character. So if they have only one pair, we say it is monohybrid cross. And for monohybrid cross, you have already done the genotype and phenotype values, that remains same always. Genotype will be 1:2:1, and phenotype will be 3:1. For dihybrid, it is already given in the syllabus that genotype being very complex is not given, and phenotype is 9:3:3:1. Next is the moment of molecule against the concentration gradient is called. So that is basically the active transport. Active requires energy, whereas the passive takes place on its own. And we know diffusion and osmosis, they come under passive transport. They occur on their own. Doesn't require ATP from the plant. Okay, next, this one is 14. Exudation of sap from the injured part of the plant, that is called bleeding. Guttation is basically the loss of water through the margin of the leaves due to excess root pressure, whereas bleeding is the loss due to injured part. And the last is the phase when the chlorophyll absorbs sunlight. So that is said to be the photochemical phase. Okay, the Kelvin cycle and the light independent phase, they are same only. Light independent phase is the one which will occur on its own, not on its own basically, which does not require sunlight. So it can take place any time when sunlight is not there, whether it is night or whether it is daytime when there is no sun, etc. Right?